Hi, I want to tell you about my unforgettable experience. My first day at the Islamic boarding school. My unforgettable experience happened when I first entered the Islamic boarding school. It was around 2019 or 2020. After I graduated from elementary school, at the time I lived in Banten, while the boarding school was in Rangkas Bitung, about 2 or 3 hours away from my home. I had never lived far from my parents before, so I felt nervous and unsure about what would happen. On the day my parents took me there, I stayed quiet in the car. I looked outside the window and how I would live in a place full of new people and new rules. When we arrived at the school, I saw many students carrying bags. My parents helped me put my things in my room before they left. They hugged me and gave me advice. They told me that they were sending me there because they wanted me to learn more about religion and become a better person. When they walked away, I tried not to cry, but it was very difficult. I suddenly felt lonely, even though many people were around me. The first day were very hard for me. I had to wake up early, follow strict schedule, and do many activities that I wasn't used to. I missed my parents, my home, my comfortable daily routine. At night, I sometimes cried quietly because I felt homesick. I didn't know anyone well, so I felt shy and confused. I even thought about wanting to go home. But after time, but after some times, things slowly changed. I started making new friends. They were kind and helped me adapt. We talked and did course together. I also met teachers who were patient and caring. They taught us important lessons about discipline, respect, and Islamic values. Day by day, I felt more comfortable. The place that once felt strange slowly became familiar to me. Now, when I look back, I feel very grateful for my parents for sending me there. That experience made me stronger, more independent, and I learned how to live with different people, how to manage my feelings, and how to face challenges. Most important, I gained religious knowledge that help guide my life today. That is why my first day at the Islamic boarding school will always be an unforgettable moment for me. Thank you.